Let me ask you something. When was the last time you made a delicious, nutritious meal without breaking the bank or spending an hour doing dishes afterward? If you're living on a fixed income, every dollar counts. And if you're tired of choosing between eating well and staying within budget, this video is about to change everything for you. Today, we're diving into 10 incredibly affordable one-pan meals specifically designed for seniors who want to eat well without the stress, without the mess, and without emptying their wallets. These aren't just cheap recipes. These are meals that respect your time, your budget, and your health. We're talking complete nutrition, minimal cleanup, and maximum flavor. So grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to save every single one of these recipes. Before we jump into these amazing recipes, let's talk about why one-pan meals are absolute game changers, especially if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people. First, there's the obvious benefit. Less cleanup means more time for the things you actually enjoy doing. But there's more to it than that. One-pan cooking means fewer ingredients going to waste, lower utility bills because you're only using one burner or one oven, and honestly, it just makes cooking less intimidating. When you're on a fixed income, meal planning isn't just about saving money. It's about being smart with resources, reducing food waste, and still getting all the nutrients your body needs to stay healthy and strong. These recipes check every single box. And the best part, most of these ingredients you probably already have in your pantry, or you can pick them up for just a few dollars at any grocery store. All right, let's get into it. Number 1. Skillet chicken and rice. Number 1 on our list is a classic comfort food that never gets old. Skillet chicken and rice. This meal costs roughly $3 to $4 per serving, and it's packed with protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables all in one dish. Here's what you need. Chicken thighs, which are way cheaper than chicken breasts and honestly taste better. Long-grain white rice, chicken broth, or even just water with a bouillon cube. Some frozen mixed vegetables, an onion, garlic, and basic seasonings like salt, pepper, and paprika. The process is beautifully simple. Season your chicken thighs with salt, pepper, and paprika. Brown them in your skillet for about 4 minutes on each side, then remove them and set them aside. In that same pan with all those delicious drippings, sauté your diced onion and garlic. Add your rice and toast it for just a minute. Pour in your broth. Add those frozen vegetables and nestle your chicken right back into the pan. Cover it, reduce the heat, and let everything cook together for about 25 minutes. What you end up with is tender, flavorful chicken, perfectly cooked rice that's absorbed all those incredible flavors, and vegetables that round out the nutrition. One pan, one complete meal, and leftovers that taste even better the next day. Number 2. Baked potato bar sheet pan. Number 2 is what I call the baked potato bar sheet pan meal. This one is incredibly versatile and costs less than $5 total. Start with russet potatoes, pierce them with a fork, rub them with a tiny bit of oil and salt, and bake them on a sheet pan at 400 degrees for about 50 minutes. But here's where it gets interesting. While those potatoes are baking, you can prepare simple, inexpensive toppings. Think canned chili, which you can warm up in a small pot. Shredded cheese, which melts beautifully over a hot potato. Frozen broccoli that you can steam in the microwave. Even just butter, salt, and pepper if you want to keep it super simple. A can of tuna mixed with a little mayo and some diced celery makes an excellent protein-rich topping. The beauty of this meal is that it's completely customizable based on what you have in your pantry, and a potato is one of the most affordable, filling, and nutritious foods you can buy. Plus, potatoes are loaded with potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, especially if you eat the skin. 3. One-pan sausage and cabbage. Number 3 is a dish that's been feeding families on tight budgets for generations. One-pan sausage and cabbage. This meal costs about $3 per serving and is absolutely loaded with flavor. You'll need smoked sausage or kielbasa, which is pre-cooked and incredibly affordable. A head of cabbage, which is one of the cheapest vegetables you can find and lasts forever in the fridge. Some potatoes, an onion, and simple seasonings. Slice your sausage into coins, cut your cabbage into wedges, cube your potatoes, and slice your onion. Toss everything together on a large sheet pan with a drizzle of oil, salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of garlic powder. Roast it all at 400 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes, stirring halfway through. The sausage releases its flavorful oils, the cabbage caramelizes and becomes sweet, and the potatoes get crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. This is comfort food at its finest, and it proves that eating on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing taste. Plus, cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins K and C. 4. Skillet Tuna Noodle Casserole. Number 4 takes us back to a nostalgic favorite, but we're making it easier. Skillet Tuna Noodle Casserole. This costs roughly $2 per serving and comes together in about 20 minutes. You need egg noodles, canned tuna, frozen peas, a can of cream of mushroom soup, milk, and some shredded cheese if you have it. That's it. Cook your egg noodles according to the package directions, but do it right in your skillet. Once they're done, drain most of the water but leave a little bit in there. Stir in your cream of mushroom soup, a splash of milk to make it creamy, your drained tuna, and your frozen peas. Let everything heat through for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Top with shredded cheese and let it melt. This meal is creamy, comforting, and packed with protein from the tuna. It's also incredibly easy to digest, which matters as we get older. And because you're making it in one skillet instead of baking the whole casserole, you save time and energy costs. 5. Sheet pan meatloaf and vegetables. Number 5 is sheet pan meatloaf with roasted vegetables. Now, meatloaf might not sound like a budget meal, but when you make it smart, it absolutely is. This costs about $4 per serving and gives you multiple meals. For the meatloaf, combine ground beef, or even better, ground turkey, which is often cheaper, with breadcrumbs or crushed crackers, an egg, some diced onion, ketchup, and seasonings. Form it into a loaf shape on one side of your sheet pan. On the other side, arrange whatever vegetables you have. Carrots, potatoes, green beans, onions. Drizzle them with a little oil and season with salt and pepper. Brush the top of your meatloaf with ketchup, mixed with a tiny bit of brown sugar if you have it. Bake everything at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes. The meatloaf stays moist, the vegetables roast to perfection, and you've got a complete, balanced meal. Plus, leftover meatloaf makes amazing sandwiches the next day. The key to making meatloaf budget-friendly is stretching the meat with breadcrumbs or oats and using affordable ground meat when it's on sale. 6. One-pot pasta primavera. Number 6 is one-pot pasta primavera, and this is as simple as cooking gets. This meal costs about $2 per serving and is ready in 15 minutes. In a large deep skillet, combine dry pasta, I recommend penne or rotini, with vegetable broth or water, frozen mixed vegetables, garlic, Italian seasoning, and a pinch of salt. The magic here is that you're cooking the pasta directly in the liquid along with everything else. Bring it to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and cook, stirring occasionally until the pasta is tender and has absorbed most of the liquid. This takes about 12 to 15 minutes. Finish it with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese if you have it, or even just a pat of butter. What makes this so brilliant is that the pasta absorbs all the flavors as it cooks, creating a naturally creamy sauce without any heavy cream or complicated steps. You get your carbohydrates, your vegetables, and a satisfying meal that doesn't heat up your whole kitchen or leave you with a mountain of dishes. 7. Skillet pork chops with apples and sweet potatoes. Number 7 brings a touch of elegance to budget cooking. Skillet pork chops with apples and sweet potatoes. This costs about $4 per serving and tastes like something from a restaurant. You'll need thin-cut pork chops, which are very affordable, a sweet potato, an apple, an onion, and simple seasonings like cinnamon, salt, and pepper. Season your pork chops with salt, pepper, and a tiny pinch of cinnamon. Brown them in your skillet for about 3 minutes per side, then remove them. In that same skillet, add thinly sliced sweet potato, sliced apple, and sliced onion. Cook them for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. Nestle your pork chops back into the pan, cover, and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes until everything is tender. The combination of savory pork with sweet apples and sweet potatoes is absolutely incredible. The cinnamon ties everything together. And nutritionally, you're getting lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and fiber all in one beautiful dish. This is proof that eating on a budget doesn't mean boring food. 8. Sheet pan fish with vegetables. Number 8 is sheet pan fish with vegetables, and this is one of the healthiest options on our list. This costs about $5 per serving depending on what fish you choose. Look for affordable fish options like tilapia, swai, or even frozen cod. Place your fish fillets on a sheet pan and surround them with vegetables. Asparagus, cherry tomatoes, and sliced zucchini work beautifully, but use whatever is affordable and in season. Drizzle everything with a little olive oil or melted butter. Season with lemon juice, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Bake at 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fish. Fish is an excellent source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart and brain health as we age. The vegetables provide fiber and vitamins, and because fish cooks so quickly, this is perfect for those days when you don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. The cleanup is minimal, and the health benefits are maximum. 9. One-pan breakfast for dinner. Number 9 might surprise you. One-pan breakfast for dinner. This costs less than $3 per serving and is incredibly satisfying. In a large oven-safe skillet, arrange diced potatoes that you've partially cooked in the microwave to save time. Add some breakfast sausage, either links cut into pieces or crumbled ground sausage. You can even use bacon if it's on sale. Crack eggs directly into the spaces between the potatoes and sausage. Sprinkle everything with shredded cheese and some bell peppers if you have them. Bake at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until the eggs are set to your liking. Breakfast for dinner is a budget secret that more people should know about. Eggs are one of the most affordable, complete proteins available. They're packed with vitamins and minerals, and this one-pan version gives you everything you need. Protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables if you add them. Plus, it just feels comforting and a little bit fun to break the rules and have breakfast when you're supposed to be having dinner. 10. Skillet Chili Mac. And number 10, our final recipe, is Skillet Chili Mac. This is the ultimate comfort food that costs about $2 per serving and makes fantastic leftovers. Brown ground beef or ground turkey in your skillet. Add diced onion and cook until soft. Stir in a can of diced tomatoes, a can of kidney beans, tomato sauce, chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Add dry elbow macaroni and enough water or broth to cover everything. Bring it to a boil, then simmer, stirring occasionally until the pasta is tender, about 12 to 15 minutes. This is basically chili and mac and cheese combined into one glorious dish. It's hearty, filling, and packed with protein and fiber from the beans. The pasta makes it even more satisfying, and because everything cooks together, the flavors meld beautifully. You can top it with shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some diced onions, or just eat it as is. Either way, you're getting a complete, nutritious meal that costs almost nothing and requires almost no cleanup. Now that you've got these 10 amazing recipes, let me share a few bonus tips to help you stretch your food budget even further. First, shop your pantry before you shop the store. You'd be surprised how many meals you can make with what you already have. Second, buy generic or store brands. The quality is usually identical to name brands, but the price is significantly lower. Third, embrace frozen vegetables. They're just as nutritious as fresh, sometimes even more so because they're frozen at peak ripeness, and they last much longer without spoiling. Fourth, cook once, eat twice. Most of these recipes make great leftovers, so consider doubling the recipe and having meals ready for the next day. This saves time, energy, and money. Fifth, keep a well-stocked pantry with basics like rice, pasta, canned goods, and basic seasonings. When you have these staples on hand, you can create meals without needing to run to the store constantly. And finally, don't be afraid to substitute ingredients based on what's on sale or what you have available. Cooking is flexible. If a recipe calls for chicken but pork is on sale, use pork. If it calls for fresh vegetables but you have frozen, use frozen. The principles remain the same. Living on a fixed income doesn't mean you have to sacrifice good food or spend hours in the kitchen. These 10 one-pan meals prove that you can eat well, stay within budget, and keep cleanup to an absolute minimum. Each of these recipes respects your time, your money, and your health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up so more people can discover these budget-friendly recipes. Subscribe to the channel for more practical cooking tips designed specifically for seniors and anyone looking to eat well on a budget. And drop a comment below telling me which recipe you're most excited to try first. Remember, good food doesn't have to be expensive, and cooking doesn't have to be complicated. With just one pan and a few simple ingredients, you can create delicious, nutritious meals that make life a little bit easier and a lot more enjoyable. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.